There we go. There we go. Hey, Livy. Let's see your chicken legs. Let's see your little chicken legs. Oh my goodness. Look at those chicken legs. Oh, that's all right. I don't mean to upset you. You got nice legs. Yes, you've got nice legs. Yeah.
Little lips.
Hey. Hey, girl. Livia. Livia. Why are you looking at my jeans? Those aren't interesting.
Hey, Livy now.
Those aren't interesting.